Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about Bun, the fastest JavaScript runtime that is taking developers world by storm, right? Bun is not fast. It is all in one toolkit that replaces Node.js runtime, NPM, Yarn, like different package manager, test runner, and the bundler. So Bun is like in the context of Monorepos, we are talking about Bun, and Bun also provide the workspace. So let's explore what Bun is offering to us. So the agenda is Bun features and capabilities, how it is different and what are the benefits it is providing. So by the end of this video, you will be able to understand the full stack monorepo with a shared utility package, API server, web page HTML, and running all that with the Bun inside a Bun workspace. So Bun is known as all-in-one JavaScript toolkit, right? It is built for full stack projects and it is all in one runtime. That means it has a package manager, it has a test runner, and it has a bundler. Till now we are using only one or two tools like package manager and a bundler, but there are multiple bundlers, right? Webpack, uh, all these. So too many tools, too much overhead. And how Bun is simplifying it? Bun is little fast. If we talk about the Bun, so one feature and capabilities that is most important. It's like a all-in-one JavaScript runtime, JavaScript toolkit combines runtime, package manager, runner, and bundler. Single binary simplicity. No need to multiple tools and complex setup. Okay, that's good because we are living in 2026 where we are simplifying things. It runs JavaScript and TypeScript seamlessly. If you talk about what Bun is replacing Node.js with the Bun runtime. npm yarn or PNPM is replaced with the Bun install, npx with the bunx, esbuild webpack with the Bun build, ts node with the native no config, node1 is Bun watch, right? So if you thought about like the project which we are using, we include npm or a yarn or PNPM, then we use introduce jest, and then either we use webpack or esbuild ts node to run the TypeScript locally, node1, node.js runtime. So all these things is replaced with this. So what is replacing what is there in the Bun? So Bun has its own runtime. Bun, there is a like PNPM yarn, there is a Bun install, Bun add. Like similarly npx, there is a bunx, right? So Bun is for testing, bundling, and all the runtime. Everything is there inside Bun. It has a monorepo support, which manages the full stack project without extra tooling. No turbo repo or NX or PNPM workspace are required. So that is, I just want to explore what Bun is offering. But if it is providing all the runtime in a one tool set, and also if you don't need these monorepo, then it's like very good. And you don't need to worry about workspace because Bun provides a workspace. So, right? So it is build a full stack monorepo with Bun, create and shared utility. We will develop an API server using Hono, build a web app serving simple HTML. So in the workspace, we are going to have multiple applications, and this is the project architecture. Bun structure at glance. We will have packages. In the workspace, we always have packages where we can put a shared utilities, apps. It can contains the backend apps, front end apps, or any kind of application. So why this matters? Because it streamline your tool chain. You don't need to introduce multiple tools, accelerate development, build clean scalable monorepos. Yeah, because it provided native workspace support, that is really good, and empower developers. So now take a look on the Bun workspace. So instead of PNPM workspace, what difference you see? There is no PNPM workspace YML. Here I have bun config.toml, right? So save extract versions. Here, if you are actually installing it, the private registries, then you need to configure it because there are some private npm repositories you wanted to install. Then like let's say tks sharma token npm token to install that, and the registry, it can be GitHub or GitLab or npm registry. Coverage true, coverage directory for testing. Package JSON, it is same as workspace is declared here, that everything you put inside a packages or application will be part of the Bun workspace. And these are all the scripts which are helping you to run dev command. Bun filter, run all the dev commands. So it will run dev API, dev web. Bun test, internally you don't need to add on the jest and all those things. You just need to depend on the Bun. So Bun is everywhere, right? You see the dependencies of Bun and TypeScript. That's it. And here I have two applications, and this is my package. Inside package, I'm just doing, because the Node.js runtime is also replaced with Bun, so you need to install, add the Bun here. Simple index.ts with simple utilities. The test file for this. And these are the two applications. One is the web and one is the API. API looks like simple because now it's a node runtime. So it is just using the Bun like Hono. Hono is like a tiny library in which you can just create a API is like a simple node express. So let's see the advantage of all this setup which we are talking about, right? So here in this Bun configuration, there is no PNPM workspace YML file. Let me just remove all these files. So let's talk about this. Workspace configurations are confined in the package JSON. Here we are seeing workspace, and these are the scripts which are running all these things. Okay, no PNPM workspace. Bun reads workspace from the package JSON. No need of additional file. Bun configurations are in bunconfig.toml, which is saying okay, install, exactly true, and if repository and coverage. We can build the shared package. So if you want to build some shared package, you can put inside a shared, and if you see the code is simple. In the package JSON, the type main is index.ts and types is index.ts. So Bun runs the TypeScript directly. Okay, no build step needed. Bun runs TypeScript natively. That is really good, right? You don't need to worry about first compiling TypeScript into JavaScript and then running it. We use in the traditional project TS node, like building the API. Hono is lightweight and web framework. If you see the application, we have the API where we are using Hono, simple framework. And API server code is very simple, like simple express TypeScript code. And to run this, what we are doing simply is Bun dev, right? We are not using npx ts node or anything. We are just using Bun index.ts. Right? It will run the server. Performance benchmark, when you do Bun install, npm install, PNPM install, Bun is very fast. Let's see how it works. And HTTP server performance is also faster when we are using Hono. So we will just see all the speeds. What are the different features it provides? This is what I want to show, the toolchain and Bun equivalent. Everything in the build is Bun build, test is Bun test, npx is bunx, npm PNPM yarn is replaced with Bun, Node.js is Bun runtime. I mean, this is just a workspace tooling. If it needs to popular, then it needs to go wild, because in the tech industry, yes, Bun was like people were thinking alternate, but yeah, Node.js is widely popular, native, and it cannot be replaced by Bun runtime soon. So we can try installing the Bun install. Two packages, I can redo it. First of all, deleting the node modules from the sub packages, and we'll try to show you how fast it is. I mean, we are not doing a lot of things right now, but still it is little faster. If I do Bun install, package install, now it may be getting it from the cache and all, but yeah, Bun install is not that fast, but it took only few seconds to install all the dependencies. Now I can just do Bun run dev, right? The servers are up and running, right? It is running the web and it is running the APIs. And this is a simple Bun workspace. That means everything is confined to these apps and the packages. Packages has a shared library. Applications, you can put your front-end app, API app, or anything. We can try some other commands like Bun test. Let me cancel it. I will open new terminal. Oh, let's use that only. Bun test. Okay, that was fast. Bun run dev API. These are also the commands. It will start the application. Right, so this is how this workspace setup is. And yes, it feels a little faster, whatever it is doing. So it is 10x faster. The Bun install, it has a native TypeScript, built-in test runner, built-in test coverage, workspace support out of the box, incredible performance for the HTTP servers. I even see all those things live, right? To install the Bun, I mean, you can just do simple things. Okay, if you want to install Bun, because Bun is a runtime, like same as the Node.js, you can simply hit this thing. I mean, you can see how to install Bun, right? Just hit a bash and it will install Bun. Then you can just start executing command bun install, bun test, bun run dev, and all these things. So Bun is a runtime that is replacing all the tool set. Now, how it is managing all those things, that's totally different thing. Yeah, that's all I wanted to cover in the Bun workspace. That okay, this is also alternative tool. If you don't wanted to introduce all these toolings and you wanted to keep things simple, then the Bun workspace is actually the answer for you.